Eventually,
we gotta get everything going so he can get fucking stronger. But he's just so weak and so stupid. He can't find the nipple. He can't stay on. He gets tired. Freya fucking licks him and pushes him off, or gets up and runs away. Like, it's just the perfect storm of bad things happening, you know. So. Yeah. Nope, when we tried the other mums, they won't accept him. So they're useless to us. They've done their breastfeeding, they're done with it. They don't need to do any more for now. They're fed up with babies. Yeah. Hope that doesn't persist for the next layer, but I'm hoping that they're going to be better on the next layer than they were even on the first layer. Bastet was good right off the hop. Like, Bastet's been the best overall so far.
Isis was clueless.
Isis was, well, she had 4 stillborns out of 5. So she had 3 in a row that were all dead. And then when she finally had a live one, she didn't know what to do with it. And then she was still in pain for 2 days because she had it, the 5th one was still inside of her for 2 days. Which we just had another stillborn last night out of Freya, a 6th. So we're waiting for we're waiting to see if there's more inside of Freya because she's still acting funny from time to time. So if they get.
Does it stain when that comes out? Does it leave stain?
No, Brianna has a good spray, but most of the time she's been doing it on the sheets or on the bed, or we have towels and stuff too, so for the most part it's not too bad. Although most of the towels upstairs now are soaked in blood at some point or another, so don't use the white towels.
Oh, I only use my towel.
Francis,
He only does that when like everyone's around.
Yeah, he likes the attention. He's like a misbehaving child.
What happened to the boiler for water? Oh, okay.
Mika. There's Ramses in the background. His diaper. Very stylish. Oh no, Mika. There you go. Oh, Mika, you're so silly.
Isis keeps me in trauma. No, for trying to get in the room. Freya, as soon as Freya hears anybody else meow or anything at the door, she gets all super protective. So she gets up and leaves her babies to go protect them. Well, in the meantime, they're trying to feed and they're starving to death. So.
But she was in the garage. Should I leave Isis in the garage?
She was in the garage? When?
An hour ago. We left Isis in the garage.
Well, she's down here or in the basement, it's fine. When she comes upstairs and starts meowing and pushing on the door and shit, that's when you gotta be doing her.
Fucking. She rolled off.
Excuse me?
She rolled off the couch, like smacked against the ground.
Probably needs to sleep.
Hmm?
She needs some sleep.
Who does?
Mika?
Probably. She's probably exhausted, but she keeps wanting to play. No, don't go over the side again. Come on, Micah. Did you kill it? Nope. It's indestructible. Yeah.
Did we spray ices recently?
Yeah, she was being naughty.
Yeah, she's all wet. Now she's going to the garage for being naughty.
Oh. So racist.
You leave her in there for a while, that'd be great. Thank you.
Yeah. No, no, Micah. Killed it. Good job. No, you didn't. It's still alive. Oh no. But you're so tired, aren't you? You'll want to cuddle up with me after that. 8 minutes of playing. Did you get it? No, you didn't. Oh, so cute. So cute. You're so tired. You. Oh, no, not tired enough. Where are you going? Where are you gonna be? You're gonna do that? Oh, Mike is back. Boom headshot. Boom headshot. Boom headshot. Boom headshot. Boom headshot. Boom headshot. Boom. 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 I'm not actually touching her. Yeah, yeah. There you go. This is usually his favorite toy, but Mika's only here for another week, so I guess Rumpy's nose somehow is letting her play with it while he cleans himself, like the putty cat he is. Boop, 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 boop. There's a light behind me. I'm trying to face it. Oh, you know what? No, that one's still good to be on. No, still too interested in the toy. Stop kicking your head. Hit yourself in the head. What the heck? Fight the power. Fight the power. Oh, you're an idiot. I love it. Roll over. No, roll the other way. Come on. No, Mika, come back. I'm sorry. He's slightly derpy, but you know, we love him all the same. Action packed. Action packed. 2 kittens. 2 cats. 1 cat, 1 kitten. Smell like pee. Smell like pee. No, it's not your fault, but come on now. Can't even fucking see it. Okay, Mika, you go nap somewhere.